Hola, bienvenido a mi canal de YouTube. Yo soy Aselemi Divine y soy una persona que ama el idioma español, pues porque es mi idioma favorito en el mundo. En este video voy a contar unas cosas y trucos que usé mientras aprendía español sin tener ningún amigo español con quien hablar. Vale, este video continuará solo en inglés. So most times when I go out and I speak Spanish or I make videos where I'm speaking Spanish, most people tend to tell me, wow, you sound wonderful, you sound nice, your Spanish is nice. And I'm always asked this famous question, how did you learn Spanish? How did you learn Spanish? Where did you learn Spanish? How? That's why I'm deciding to make this video, and it's just for you guys who want to know how I learned Spanish. Okay, so the first one is sleep with Spanish. I most times sleep with Spanish. And what I mean by sleeping with Spanish, I don't mean you lying side by side with Spanish and then sleeping. Nah, that's not it. What I do most times is I put on Spanish podcasts, videos, music. I listen to them and then I fall asleep. And whenever I fall asleep, the songs tend to be playing and I feel like I hear them in my dream, and when I'm sleeping, they're just forming in my head and all that. Most times I don't really understand what they're saying, but I always put it on while it plays. Keep on learning. That is my number one trick, yeah, and it can also work for you too. Number two, I always use Google Translator. Yes, I know we all do it, but I use it a lot. And at some point I was kind of embarrassed because I couldn't use Google Translator very well, but now I can use it very well. Most times when I get a new word that I can't pronounce, I don't know the meaning, I go over to Google Translator, check the word, write it down, say it over and over again, and it stays in my head. My third trick is I watch lots of Spanish movies. My favorite is Money Heist, La Casa de Papel. There, I tend to learn lots of Spanish words, their expressions. While watching movies, you tend to learn how most Spanish speakers speak. Mostly Argentines, they kind of use hand gestures. Que chumolo, que quilombo. Watching lots of these Spanish movies tends to make you dive into their culture. You feel as though you're already in their country. Meanwhile, you're just in your room learning Spanish from the comfort of your house or from the comfort of your bed and all that. So it's very important you watch lots of Spanish movies. Now, my fourth trick is I score lots of Spanish songs. When I mean scoring Spanish songs, I write the lyrics out, know how to sing their songs, sing it with them. I just make myself feel like I'm in their culture. So I listen to lots of their songs, score them, learn how to pronounce the words perfectly, their gestures and all that. So listening to Spanish songs and scoring those songs can also help you improve your Spanish skills. It's very important. Now, talking about Spanish songs, obviously, while doing my house chores, I listen to Spanish songs. Yeah, I also recorded myself dancing while cleaning. And I'm going to recommend one for you, Despacito by Luis Fonsi. It's a very popular song and it can also help you learn Spanish. Now, last but not the least, I listen to Spanish podcasts. Lots of Spanish podcasts. I could recommend one for you, How to Spanish. Check it on YouTube. I'll put a link in my description where you could go to their channel and watch most of their podcasts. How to Spanish. I also listen to lots of Spanish podcasts from Duolingo. They help me learn Spanish. These tricks I've told you, they are really going to help you learn Spanish. So I'm going to leave it up to you now. What are the tricks that you've used before that helped improve your Spanish speaking skills? Tell me in the comments below. I love to know them. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on all my wonderful videos whenever I post them. Muchas gracias por ver este video. Thank you for watching this video. I'm very excited that you stumbled upon this channel. Nos vemos pronto. Adiós.